Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all doing good. So yesterday we made wheat chinchin. It was a special request from one of my customers. She wanted the wheat chinchin. So, it's part of our tradition here at Hila Halal Munch. Whatever you request, so long is acceptable, you go the extra mile in providing it for you. So here you can see that's the wheat flour already mixed with butter and other add-ins, and just showing you guys how it looks like. Then here is the liquid for combining the dry ingredients together. I have our milk here and every other thing that makes our chinchin yummy. This is the reason you like our chinchin. The mixture here filled with protein. So that's the dry ingredient. So I'm combining the liquid with the flour, just giving it a mix to ensure everything is well incorporated before I will do the sheeting, then the cutting. And it's going to be a big chinchin. Yeah.